Wondering how much it costs to move a two-bedroom apartment? Let's break it down so you can plan your budget and avoid any surprises. The cost of your move depends on a few main things: distance, the amount of items you have, and the type of services you choose. For a local move, where you're staying within the same city or a short distance, movers usually charge by the hour. On average, that can range from about $500 to $1,000, depending on how many movers you need and how long the job takes. If you're moving long distance, the price is based more on the total weight of your belongings and how far you're going. A two-bedroom apartment move could cost anywhere from $2,500 to $6,000 or more, depending on your specific situation. Extra services can also add to the total cost. For example, if you want movers to pack your belongings, handle fragile items, or disassemble and reassemble furniture, expect to pay more. The same goes for tricky situations like stairs, elevators, or limited parking. If you're looking to save, consider doing some of the work yourself, like packing boxes, decluttering before the move, or scheduling your move during weekdays when rates are lower. Keep in mind, getting several quotes from trusted movers is the best way to find a fair price and avoid hidden fees. A two-bedroom move is a big job, but with the right preparation and professional help, it can be smooth and stress-free. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.